All right, here we go, here we go. And what is going on, folks? How is the day going? How did the weekend go? How was your team? Did your team win the Super Bowl? The Super Bowl? What am I even talking about? Did they win their playoff games? Were they in the playoffs? Who knows? Tell us more. Doesn't really appear to be much movement at the onset. Let's see what's going on here. What the heck? We freaking moved it down, bro. Mother trucker. Boom. Which way do we think it's gonna go? We're gonna jump in there. Let's get a sell. Just coming back up. What is this movement? Very dead. So far, so good. Being the holiday, it might be normal. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see what we're doing. How we get there. Unknown. Unknoweth. We don't know. All right. All right, it's breaking underneath. What more are we going to look at? Session close on Friday. Two, 5, 6, 8, 1. 6, 8, 1, 7. All right, well, we don't have much context from prior. Down. Could come back up to 400-ish area, or we can drop into the 100. Ooh. Yeah, we can drop into the 190, the 100, down into 24 something. All right, let's see what the market is doing right now. All right, let's chill out. Let's see what life is all about. You can see where any of the orders are not at. You know, what's the deal? Check out what some of this retrace is. Deal with this that happens. right, here's some movement. Here's some volume. It's not very much volume, and it's just because like it's holiday. Oh, did we complete? We did. $269. Oh, we're looking for a drop underneath. Let's go. Or what happens here? Does it struggle here? We'll put another one right about here. Do we see anything? Actually, it looks very upsidey. let's see what we see. Is there any movement down? This breaks up. We could really see 371. 358. Kind of 371, I think. Starting to struggle here. We're gonna go ahead and push up into that area. Quite possible. Very quite possible. All right, let's see how what happens right here. Does it not make it? Does it come down? It is unknown of the situation here. We're gonna find out. Is it gonna break down? We don't know. No. Looks like it is breaking up. Question is we're gonna continue to go up from here. I mean, we still might hit our 302. Looks like there is some orders, not orders, but looks like that's pretty much right on the other side of this area here. More resistance basically here. Look at that, that's 313. That's likely to hit. Boom. They took it. All right, the question is, are we still just going to go back up? Let's find out. Let's see. I like this. I like this. Not a fan of the struggle bus. All right, there it goes. Here we go. I like it. Get up there. Or we are in over here. Clawing it back, guys. We're clawing back these deficits that we have. ET's pretty good. Come on. Hit our first target here. It's a beaut. It's a beaut. Come on. Come on. All right. Now it could go further up. It may not. We are happy with that on those ones. Oh, is it going to go up to 3? Dang. We shall see. If it actually does go up to 390, that's going to kind of confirm our, or around there. If it's going to actually 375 looks like a really good support area. Let's see where that is. Probably should have stayed in. Looks like we might have should have stayed in. Yeah, it's for sure. Probably gonna drop this down to 375. We're starting to see there's a resistance in support zones a little better. You know, it's really weird. I could hear it, heard it, seen it, kind of been explained to me. We kind of seen and understanding the situation according to the volume. Then, you know, it's very interesting. Like it's got to go hold here. If it doesn't hold here, it's likely going to come back. Not necessarily. I mean, this is the bottom. So it could. Here, let me just show you. Like it just hit support, right? And this is what I was talking about. You can't really see. Look at this, 400. Got some volume here, some volume here. The reason why I said 375 is just look how many touches we have right here. Volumes that even right there. So I was targeting 390 right here. You don't want to be greedy and go for the 400. But yeah. Guess we should have stayed in. We kind of got out here. We should have probably went for this touch instead of this touch. I thought maybe we would hit here, probably retrace back down to, you know, this area. So didn't really want to give back what was there. That's about it. You know what I mean? It's about all we can do. In this age of days. Clawed back some of our scalp. This is our sacrifice scalp. This is sort of gonna might be our sacrifice scalp. I don't know. I want to trade bigger contracts here, according to the strategy. So that kind of makes me not want to use it for scalping. Just as a FYI, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. This account here, this account here, as well as this one resets. But this one I'm actually trying to pass because since we're so close. We're like 350 away. So I might actually go for a quick scalp down to 308, 309. I'll just do that. Let's pull in, hoping for a breakdown into possibly 315. Just maybe back down to this area right here. So we'll see. I'm down with that. A little bit of a scalpy scalp. A little struggle bussy. Didn't work out right there. We're gonna tackle that. I don't even know if we got anything back. We actually might have lost stuff on fees. Who knows? Who knows? Oh. Well, I guess we should have stayed in. I don't know. Looking at the bookmap streams we got going on, there's a lot of orders still above. That did just come in over the last, since we've been up there. Don't know if that means we're coming back down. Those are the things, you know? Take a hit on our, oh, here it goes. It is coming back down. Guess we should have stayed in. Got to be a little bit more convicted. Still struggling. There's still quite a possibility it goes back up. We're just building up those orders up there, so. It is what it is. Let's get some tracking on Z accounts. All right, let's see what happens in this area. We're gonna come back. Yeah, 309 is an area that we first just talked about. Can't really see it here, but it's this could be it. This could be a bounce right here. Who knows? Let's find out. Let's just wait and see. I'm quite tired, guys. Quite tired. We're just gonna hang out. See if it bounces off the 50 EMA, which I think is the 50 EMA. $64. Question is we're gonna bounce up from here. We're gonna come back down to the 198. Is my bias now up? What did we say? 75? Let's give that a shot. Kind of wanted to see more. So I don't know. Seems like a risky trade. I think 310 would have been a better area to get in. Or bounce off of the orb here. We're gonna find out. We are going to find out, guys. It is looking struggle bussy. After this, right now, we're gonna see this move. We're gonna see if it comes down to the 310, 309. Fails that, and it comes back down to where I am, then I'll have to reevaluate. We're not jumping in on our funded account. Of quite a bit to overcome. So we're gonna look at more confident trades for those. Is looking good. Is looking good. Did it build enough? Did it build enough to take those out? Is the question. Are those trades they're expecting to take out, or are they trades that they're using to pull it up? try and get longs to build shorts underneath. It looks like they were trying to build shorts for underneath. Let's see. Or they could be doing this to build stop losses up there. Who knows? Who knows if we're gonna stay in this trade? We're just gonna. So tired, guys. What do you think? Here comes the 309 hit. Guess I should have stayed in those scalps, eh? Alright, alright. Should have stayed in those scalps. As you can see. Oh, there it goes. Question is, once we hit this EMA down here, top of the range as well. Will it go up? Will we go up? Let's see. Come on. And it's not looking good. But it is what we said. Actually, if it breaks down here, it's gonna break and hit 295-ish. It could hit even 89. Could break all the way back down. If it breaks down right into here, it's likely going to just reverse all the way. There's some major zones here. Well, we're gonna see what's going on here. To see the zones, see it, believe it. I should be more confident in my scalps. Is this the reversal? Was that a triple top? I don't know. It's not looking good though. It's not looking good. Let's you see what I'm talking about here. Initially, you know, I was just kind of 395. That's why I put it at 390. But then I looked here and I was like, oh, that's not very good. These are just the high areas of volume. As you can see, they correlate to resistant zones here. Touches on both sides. Down, back up, down, back up, down to here, as you can see, then down, then back up. So very key resistance zone right here. It does not hold there. It's likely going to come down and just beat me out right there. But we're hoping it holds. There might be some things, so that's why I moved it down from that area. Just to FYI, it wasn't just because I was wanted to hold my trade forever. That's just a really key resistance zone. It could hit me down here, but we're hoping it bounces right here. And I just wanted to give it a little bit more room underneath that. So it is a mistake. One of the mistakes that I do have is that moving stop losses because I don't want to take the hit, but that's an obvious area of resistance. And you know, even show a good high area here, so that would get hit. But you can see overall, like is that 56? That is. I mean, that would be the next area that we would break down into. All right, so we're hoping for a bounce here. We kind of hope so. Are we bouncing orb and going back up? The initial IB. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I'm actually gonna add at this point. We're gonna switch these. All right, we're hoping. Need to get some breaks above. Pulling out of this trade specifically right there. This one was only to go ahead and see if we bounce there and start moving up. Looks like it possibly is. We're starting to break this next zone. It's quite the risk. Jump in right now. The volume did kick in a lot more right now. How are we gonna react right here? I don't know. Will it break? Will it break? Looking like it. It is looking like it.
Order filled.
We're hoping. We're hoping it sticks, guys. We're hoping it breaks through. I don't know if it does. I don't know if it does. Unknown. We're gonna drop some more in right around here. We'll be buying again. We will find out. At 308 area. Right up in here. Right up in here. Oh, it did hit it. Oh, we missed out. Oh, thee well. Or did we? Or did we? Let's find out. Let's make this happen. We weren't watching good enough. Whatever the scenario is, we're in it. We're in it on a lot of counts here. We are hoping this upside plays out though, so we're gonna leave this in. I think the trades are there. And we get the 308 in. Can we? Can we? Hopefully. Will we see the push now? I do want to throw this in on my funded account, but I think we're going to take that super slow. That's actually looking really nice now. Come on, baby. Come on. Guess we should have taken it on the funded. Perfect time. Let's go. Held the resistance. Now time to hold the rest of the breakup. Pretty tired, guys. I feel like just closing my eyes for the next like 15 minutes. Not make any changes. to accounts. We needed to break above one more time. Breakthrough. Small breakthrough. Break it through. All right, what's it doing? What's it doing? Are we surviving here? Working? Is it doing it? Here we go, folks. Here we go. Maybe should have took it on the funded, like we said. When I wanted to press it. When I wanted to press it, we were on this hoop. Right in here. It's kind of late now. I mean, not really. This is a good spot. Just really close to the last resistant zone, so that is why. Which is here. Here. Really close to that. I'm tired. Man. 4-minute nap. Let's go. So tired. Can we do it, guys? Not mess with the trades. Take the nap for our work day. Actually, we're supposed to be getting ready to go, huh? We gotta be in the car. Or if it fails here, I don't know that I want. Ooh, the news hit or something? That's crazy, bro. Dude, that just swept that. I'm afraid. Is that the intended direction, though? That's scary. That literally might be the intended direction. We're going to just go ahead and keep it in. But we're likely going to lose this trade for sure. That was no joke. Wow. There's liquidity down at 285, which is down right in here. They might sweep this as well. That means this is gonna get swept very easily. I'm not willing to put more than this though, to be honest, on this account. These ones are fine. I don't really care. This is gonna get swept. They're building these longs to sweep it more. That is my thought anyways. This account and the account over here, I'm not really interested in moving it down under here to possibly not take that hit. I might even push it up to here and take the minor hit, you know what I mean? Anyways, we do gotta go. All the loves, guys. Peace. You guys are